Welcome to beautiful downtown Miami at the International Boat Show, and here we are at the HYLAS booth checking out the 57, the latest in the line. Let's go step aboard and see what it's all about. The HYLAS brand is synonymous with quality, performance, and functionality along with value. The latest blue water sailing vessel from world-class designer Bill Dixon is the HYLAS H57, a perfect blend of classic HYLAS, contemporary good looks, embracing of the latest technology in construction and design. As we step inside this beautiful cockpit, what you're going to notice is the Bill Dixon design hardtop right here. So this can be many different things. First of all, it has an integrated spray shield, so while you're underway, you have the ultimate protection overhead and up front. This also can be a fully enclosed area, and it has an in-house sunshade that can, in low winds, can be extended for cruising in shade. Here we are at the Helm Station, and what you're going to notice is it's totally duplicated on both port and starboard sides, with both the thrusters for the engine as well as the bow thrusters fore and aft. Then we have a Raymarine control up here, which gives you all your system controls as well as cameras all throughout this boat. The high level of technology on this boat is concentrated right here at both helm stations, along with the nav station down below. Again, here we are at the hardtop, and in this boat, high technology reigns supreme. We have 6 solar panels integrated to a lithium-ion battery system below, along with a high-efficiency air conditioning unit, and hot water system allows you to stay on the hook for 12 hours silently with no noise from any generator, because you can run seamlessly on this boat. Bill Dixon has done a wonderful job of making a total entertainment zone here in the cockpit. Okay, it converts for dining, socialization, and you have room for days. Here we are in the best social zone in the vessel, and what you're going to notice is copious amounts of space, ease of use back here, and then we have a watch station right behind me, and that watch station allows you, while on passage, to control the entire vessel right up here, and your reefing controls are up here as well, so you have all the perfect sailing conditions while underway. As we step down below, what you're going to notice is, first of all, 17 feet of beam makes this absolutely massive in here. I'm 6'1", I have plenty of headspace, but what we have is access to the outdoors visually right here with glass up here, and as I sit down below, I have a second set of windows that while I'm sitting, I can still have contact and see what the weather's going on outside as well. We have a beautiful social area here with tons of room, and what you notice, we have these beautiful teak floors with white oak cabinetry, which really lets that light in and pop off the cabinetry, so tons of light in here. The great use of space in here comes from the raised coach roof, and then we also have a raised sole. Well, what does that allow us to do? It allows us for maximum capacity for fuel, water, lithium batteries, the ultimate comfort while underway. More importantly, low center of gravity for better maneuverability and performance while underway. Here in the aft end, we're in the luxurious master suite, and what you're going to notice is that use of space. We're about 15 feet of beam in here. You got plenty of headroom, comfort room, and then we have access to the ensuite head, which has a separate shower, all the creature comforts here at home. Here we are in the classic center cockpit walk-through galley, and what you're going to notice is all the creature comforts of home, high-end appliances, cutting surfaces to die for, and of course, storage everywhere. So as we move forward, we have a ensuite for the VIP, which doubles as a day head. And across from that, on the starboard side, we have crew quarters, and forward we have a VIP berth. Top notch. So when you talk about quality, workmanship, and craftsmanship, it starts right here at the HYLAS 57. From the sugar scoop to the bowsprit, it's all top notch.